Welcome back, and to my new viewers, welcome. The colors will be scrolling across the screen, and let's get this painting started. This painting is a painting of a misty forest, and to be quite honest, I wasn't even sure if I was going to post this one, but then I thought, you know what, let's show the good, the bad, and the ugly. And let's power through it and see if we can't turn it into the good again. I'm painting in some of the trees in the background with not too much detail in them because they're background trees. The detail comes in the foreground. I didn't really care how things were looking at the time, so I decided to kind of wipe it down and start fresh. Not quite fresh, but over. Anyway, as you'll see, that kind of didn't work either. Because now my fog is green. And it's not supposed to be green. But keep watching. It gets better. Or worse, I'm not sure. As you'll see, I'm painting along and I decided that my forest fog was a little too green because I didn't allow my green paint to dry thoroughly before I went over it with the white paint to create the mist. I do wonder how many of the great masters chunked a painting off into the corner, which I have several, and thought to themselves, this will never sell. I'm going to have to just start all over. And it ended up being a masterpiece that we know and love today. This is a few days later, and at this point, the paint is dry to the touch on the canvas. My initial thought was to go ahead and paint the trees in, get them where I want them, what shapes and colors and all that, and then let it dry and go back over it and create the fog. We'll see. Here I'm using my liner brush to get the tree trunks in as to where I want them. Here I'm trying to go between the trees and get some of that fog in there that's white, not light green. As you learn to paint, you'll see spots on your painting that you do like, and you'll see spots on your painting that you don't like. The key is to leave it alone if you like it, and try to fix it if you don't. So just keep working, work through it, and it's not finished till you say it's finished. Well, my white mist is coming along, although now the trees need to be repainted in again. It's a process. As we're getting close to the end of part one, I'd just like to say thank you for all my viewers. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Trying to grow my channel and try to get some people to paint. Let the artist inside of you come out. It's a good way to relax and find peace in your life. Anyway, thanks to everybody who's bothered to subscribe, like, or share.